Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I got some bad news. My camera actually broke and now I'm screwed. And things are bad with this lockdown, so I can't really do much videos. I have to wait for the stock to come back in to get a new camera. So for now, I'm just gonna continue using it. So forgive me if it's a little bit blur, but the lens is actually cracked and I cannot do anything about it. So I'm gonna try and get the best footage as I can. So let's get into today's video. For some reason this car hasn't been starting when you park it into the sun, but as soon as it goes into the shade it starts and runs perfectly. But say you have to go park it in the sun and then switch it off, it doesn't start again. So I actually was going to try to diagnose this first. So I'm gonna show you what the problem is before you guys go and fiddle around. I'm sure you'll have some problem similar to this here. And before you go and change a fuel pump like I did and check the coils, check the fuel lines and stuff like that there, check this first, because I didn't even know that this could be a small simple issue that you can just sort out. So let's get into it today. So basically I'm actually going to take the fuel relay out of my car and then put it into my father's car, and then we're going to test to see whether it comes right. I've read a whole lot of forums and stuff to see whether this could be the issue, and it turns out to be might be the issue. So we're going to actually see whether it goes through or not, because we actually went and changed the fuel pump in the car and the car is still doing the same story. Check the fuel lines, check the coils, everything like there. So let's get straight into it, and I'm going to show you how to get the fuel relay out and then swap it out. So guys, I got my car over here and I'm going to take the fuel relay out from my car and then put it in my dad's car and then see whether it works. So currently you'd have to take out this entire panel over here because the relay is situated underneath the dash. So you'll have to take this panel out here, this one right here, and the cubby. The first thing you're going to remove is the cubby. Now underneath the cubby there's two Phillip head screws. You're just going to remove that, then take it out. After that you're going to remove here, which only has one Phillip head screw over here, and then there's like about two more clips from here. Just going to remove it from there and then take out this part. You don't really need to take this out, but it's actually going to be holding this in, so you'd have to like unclip this out completely. So I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse while I go and remove this. So I got the panels off, and this is your fuel pump relay, and this controls the amount of electricity that actually goes to your fuel pump. So we're actually going to take this out now. So as you can see, there's a little bit of I had a bit of an issue like taking this panel out here and this one here. There's like these tiny clips on them. Okay, so these clips are actually pretty hard to get out, and they're like stuck into these like grooves over here and here, and yeah, it just basically goes like this. So sorry, this way. And they were actually pretty hard to get out, so they had to go from the back and like pinch them in order to get them out, or you can just pull them, but be careful you just don't break the panel. But yeah, now we got that out. I'm actually going to just unbolt this here, and it's only got a 10mm bolt on here. We're just going to unbolt this here and then get it out. So once you take this out, I'm actually going to go do this exact same thing on my dad's car, and I'm not going to bother to show you how I take it out of my dad's car and stuff, but we're going to go and install this on my dad's car and see whether it works or not. I'm going to take his one out and replace it with this one here. At least this one is the OEM Honda fuel relay, and I'll give you all the build number. I think there is a part number on the top here. I'm not too sure. or this could be the part number. So one more thing I actually forgot to mention, once you take out this bolt over here, you actually have to unclip it over here. So make sure your battery is actually turned off before you do all of this. You're just gonna unclip it from here. And so first thing, I'm gonna actually just unbolt this here quickly, and then we're gonna take this out and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I got both the relays out and I'm looking at them and they're actually totally different. So this one's from my car and this one's from my dad's car, and you can see this is your part number over here, and then with my one it's on the top. So I'm not sure whether it's actually gonna work, but I'm gonna try it on and then hopefully it does. But it is the same engine. I'm sure it might not have an issue, but we're gonna swap it out and then see whether it starts or not. Okay, so I just replugged the battery and put the relay on. I'm gonna see whether it starts or not. Starts, it actually works. So I'm actually going to take this now and I'm going to take it for a test drive and then come back and park it in the yard by the sun. I don't know whether you can see me or not, but yeah, I'm actually going to take this thing to we're going to take it for a drive and then park it in the sun and then switch it off to see if it works again. So there you go guys, it's actually working and I can't believe this was such a simple fix. All you needed to do was just replace the fuel relay and that was it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I know it's a little bit dark, you cannot see anything because I'm in the shade, but the problem was basically whenever you used to park a car in the sun, it'll never start again, and as you can see now, the car will start. And let me take you off the tripod. And the car is working perfectly. As you can see now, it was just a simple thing of replacing that, and come on, that's such a simple fix. I'm actually gonna remove that and put it back in my car, and we're gonna go over and get a new one. So once you've got a new one, just do the exact same thing, plug it back in, put the panels back on, put the glove box back in, and then it's simple as that, guys. I wish I could show you what I'm looking at. I wish I could show you my face, but unfortunately the camera is broken. And let's just actually try this. There we go, you can actually see me now. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you. I know many guys with the Honda in the Honda community have this problem, and not many guys know how to actually solve this problem. In the next video, I'm actually going to change a fuel pump, because I actually changed the fuel pump and I put an aftermarket one in there, thinking that it was the problem, yet it was the CR. So in the next video, I'm actually going to put the OEM one back in there and take the other one out. So I'll check you in the next video.